What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and in today's video I have a short Copart walk around featuring one dope truck. I think this thing could definitely be fixed, and I think somebody could have a pretty decent rebuild project. But without further ado, roll that intro. All right, guys, a Ram 2500. Now you're saying, well, why is it here? This is why. This entire side is completely and utterly smashed. It is a Longhorn with only 104,000 miles on it. This truck has a lot of value in it. Replace the hood, replace the fender, replace the door, the bumper, and I think you're good to go. I think you could drive this thing for the next 300,000 miles. Now let's take a look inside the cab. Oh, we can't get that one open, can we? We have to go around to the other side. Bum, 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 bum. High output diesel, huh? Laramie Longhorn 2500. Oh yeah, look at that, man. The nice seats. I really like these, man. I really like these. Well, like the rough seats. I know Ford does the King Ranch like that too. Man, all right. I have a feeling she's probably dead, but I'm willing to give her a shot and see. Oh, she's got power. Let's see if she starts. You guys know what time it is, man. If you've ever been injured, if you've been hurt, if you've been in a car accident, we're going to talk about today's sponsor, Morgan & Morgan. Submit a claim in 8 clicks or less. Submitting a claim for injury doesn't have to be a stuffy process. With Morgan & Morgan, there's no need to visit a law office, sit through timely consultations. You can submit a claim and have a lawyer review your case with only 8 clicks on your phone. 21st century law firm, meaning it's not done the old school way. You can literally do everything from submitting the claim, submitting your case details, uploading your documents, medical records, all of that from your cell phone, and you can even text your attorney and legal team throughout the duration of your case. It's a huge thing. First recourse if you've ever been in a car accident, common things that you need to know. You need to make sure that you're okay. You need to get a police report. You need to make sure you contact your insurance. And you need to make sure you get legal representation. It is huge, guys. Don't try to do this on your own. If you're injured and you don't know where to start, with Morgan & Morgan, it's so easy. With Morgan & Morgan, you submit a claim without ever having to leave the couch, right from that cell phone. 8 clicks or less, you can submit your claim to Morgan & Morgan. Go to forthepeople.com/TK's Garage and get started today. It runs. All right. Climb my ass up here. Turn some of this AC on right quick. Uh-oh. The AC doesn't work? Oh, it's just taking a minute for the fans to kick on. I was like, wait a minute. The hell? Alright. So this isn't bad. At 104,000 miles. And this is a 12. That means this thing has not been driven a lot. Somebody was probably babying the crap out of this truck, man. This is a nice truck, man. Really nice. The double glove box. The plug right here. You got your 4-wheel drive. I really like this, man. I like this a lot. Super clean, man. It's just super clean. Huh. Well, the seats look good, the interior looks good, the truck itself looks pretty solid. Let's go look at the motor. I don't think I can pop the hood from here. I'm gonna try. Maybe. I think I got it. All right. Let's go take a look under the hood and see what she's working with. .7-liter turbo diesel. Batteries still got their bags and stuff around it. That's sharp. Out. But overall, man, this thing is clean, man. I could definitely see somebody putting this back on the road, for sure. It's just too clean. It's too nice of a truck. You know what I'm saying? MBRP exhaust. Okay. I see you. There's the mirror and the rest of the stuff in the back that broke from the front. Yeah, man. I mean, replace those two doors in that front fender, and I think you're good to go. I think this thing would be ready to roll, man. Huh. All the storage and stuff in here, man. Crazy. Well, let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment. I think this would be a really good like daily driver, man. Like, this is something, I mean, it's a 2012, but these trucks still sell for some significant money. I bet you this truck goes for like $9 grand, right? And then you figure if you can source the parts yourself, the fender, the doors and whatnot, replace, you know, keep all the inside door cards and put all your glass and everything in the other doors, you got a pretty good deal here. I think you could probably be done with this truck at like 11.5, and you got a diesel with 104,000 miles on it that's a beast. This might be one of the best deals or better deals I've seen as far as a rebuild truck in a long time here. This is not bad at all. All right, guys, let me know what you guys think about that Ram 2500 Longhorn in the comment section down below. If you're interested in it, if you think it's something cool, I think it would be a really good rebuild. This is the kind of stuff I'm talking about when you come to Copart. It's about saving money if you don't care what the title says, and it's something you're going to keep and drive for a couple 100,000 miles. Something like that's perfect, man. You put, you know, you buy it for 8-9 grand, you put 1,500 to 2 grand of it into it yourself, maybe put a paint job on it to make it all match, and then you drive it till the wheels fall off, man. Crazy deals. Anyways, if you're interested, if this video caught your attention, it's one of my shorter videos, go check out any of the longer Copart walkarounds. That's going to do it for me, guys. Just a bonus video for y'all. I thought it was cool, something I should show y'all. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.